Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Zippo Hazardous. I got this earlier today. I've been wanting it for a while. Since I got my first Zippo like 2 years ago, I've been wanting it. It is 2011 H. I don't know what that month, what month that is. I'll have to count and see that. I'm not very good at counting. And it's pretty nice, flat black finish with the blood splatters and the yellow. It's pretty good. It's brand new, didn't even fill it or anything yet. Just got it. The insert is made in 2012. Today is the end of the world. Looks like we're fine because it's, what, 5:49 p.m. I'm alive now. Still. So, let's close a look. It's pretty nice. I wouldn't use it a lot, but still like it. Here's it compared to a normal one. My initials on here. Somewhere. Right there. Got that last year. I will be doing a review on the Zippo hand warmer. I have this in what is it? Chrome and camouflage. And I will also be doing a I'll show you my whole collection of Zippos. Okay.